Guys, we'll make a stick out challenge.
Good luck.
Good luck. Guys, this is a stick out. Let's get started. Go. Okay, so last one. Next, the little stick. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Finish. I'm first. Okay, all one, guys.